Dumelang. Welcome back to Setswana class. Do you know how you address somebody from South Africa? You call them South African. But how about somebody from Botswana? Do you call them Batswanian? Follow this lesson and learn more. First of all, let's start with the name of the country. You say Botswana. Botswana. For people from Botswana, they are called Batswana. Batswana. One person from Botswana is called Motswana. Motswana. And this lesson you are learning right now is called Setswana. Setswana. But there is an exception. If you are speaking to somebody in English and you want to tell them that you are learning a lesson, you can say, I am learning Tswana language. I am learning Tswana language. That is an exception. So, with that exception, when you are now starting to be comfortable speaking Setswana, you will be uncomfortable saying Tswana. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Salang sentle. Go siame.